Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn something new. We're going to fix an error here. When you click here, you want to import your database. We click import. Once you click here, I'm gonna get this here. Click that and you open. You scroll down here and you say go. After that, you see the error say PHPMyAdmin error, incorrect format, parameter. So we're facing this problem, and I've been trying to find out on the internet to see what's the problem here. So got something we got to try and see if it can help us. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to PHPMyAdmin to PHPin, then we try to alter something. So let's go there right now. I don't want to see you get into this issue again. So what you're gonna do, click on my computer or computer that, then you look for USR, double click there, then local, double click there, then you look for a folder called etc. You there. So in the etc we really don't find anything, so we're looking for PHP. I'm gonna play around and we see if we find the folder we're looking for. Go to, I'd like to go somewhere else. Nothing is that folder. Got to go here. Don't need that. It's a little bit complicated, but we're gonna make it. It's been man libraries. Don't get what we're looking for. Include, nothing there. Go back here and we look for where we USR local. Got a lot of things to check on here. You can go to bin. It's a little bit slow, but it's gonna work. It's trying to load files here. Let's be a little bit patient. Yes, we got a couple of files here. So when we scroll down, let's see if we can see any folder. We don't see much of what we're looking for here. These are files. I don't see any folders here. This is a very big folder. Can't get that. Simple. Go back and look for libraries. Could find this. Depends on the operating system you're using. That's why I find some problems here. And can scroll a little bit down. Look for a little bit down. Okay. We could also search and say PHP. Yes, we got that folder. We got PHP. Yes, we're looking for PHPin. We can get that 5 items here. PHP 3.7. Click on that. We PHP in production. Okay, development. Click that. Try to see something here. Wanna see if we can look for a file called a line called postmarks, or we look from upload marks. Try to find upload load dash underscore marks. Yes, so this could be our major problem. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna increase on the size, file size. We're gonna make it at least 100, and we got to look into the database we tried to upload to see how big is that. I'm gonna take you there. Before we do anything here, we got to do something special. I'm gonna take you there as to find something very good. We say USL libraries. Okay, we can go back here and we look for this. See how big this guy is. It's just 9 megabytes, which is not bad here. What we're gonna do, this is text. Try something. Gonna try something. We're gonna do something here. We have 9 megabytes there. We're gonna try and say we took it at, gonna put it on 60, and after that we got to save this, and also we try look for another file, say postmarks. It's gonna say upload max file upload. It's gonna say maximum number of files that can be uploaded via a single result. If that, so we go down we got find something, find upload. Gonna look at post underscore marks. Yeah, this is something which we're gonna change to I would say 128, and we save that. We're gonna look for something else also. What you're gonna do, look at find max execution time, max underscore execution time. Gonna be 30 seconds. We're gonna give it 1,000 if you want to. We're gonna put it time. Say this real quick. We're gonna say look at 1,000. Give it 1,000, which is okay. I save that. To saving that, I would simply say we finished the development side, and I gotta say we're done with that code. Close that and try something here. Click on that database and say import, and try do that. TP, scroll down, still got the same problem, but don't worry, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change all files, 3 files. I'm gonna go to another file. I'm gonna see where did we find that. It was it etc, something like that. It will find something there, so I'm forgetting, man. So bin can't get that, so okay, gotta check something like PHP. Got that here. Yes, PHP 3, Apache 2. That's what we're not looking for, because here there's Apache 2. PHP in, let's see this also. Got change that here. It could work for us. This we're gonna look into that for upload max. Load max. Upload down max. Yes, also this file we're gonna change that. 2 megabytes. We're gonna make it 1000. What can we do? What can we do? Make it 60. Then you save your file here. Then after you look for the second line, which is gonna be find post underscore post max. Okay, what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna make it what max size. We're gonna make it 128. So after that, what we're gonna do is save here and look for another thing, which gonna be max execution time. Let's say underscore execution time. We gave it 1000 last time. I'm gonna give it 1000, and we save here. Don't forget where we are. You can see we etc PHP, PHP 7, Apache 2. Let's do that and see if that file is gonna help us. No, we're going to cancel that. So since we've done that, we're gonna try to change all those files. We see if they're gonna work for us. Okay, then we're gonna do this database and say import. Go there, look that, do that. Still, guys, we got problem here, but it doesn't mean we're not going to fix it. We're going to fix that. So one of the problems here, see, okay, we finish all those files. We're gonna do find other files again. Shouldn't worry yourself. Config PHP in. Can you find PHP in here? We don't get that. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Find another file here for PHP in. We're gonna do that also. Find upload. We're gonna say upload max. Okay, also this is 2 megabytes. I'll give it a 60 and we save. So we find something else, which is gonna be postmax. Then we're gonna say 128. Now it depends how big your database is. We'll say okay, and we're gonna come here, find something else. Max. Okay, I'm gonna say max execute. I'm gonna give it 1,000. Then we save that. Those are the 3 things we're looking for here. Okay, that's good. We come in there, go in here. Got a lot of things to check up here. I think we're fine with that. Gotta go here back. We look into that. We import that database. Done with those settings. We put that here. Still we got that same problem here. Okay, stress. Change all the files to see that we win. So this time I'm gonna go here and I click here and I search for php.in. Okay. Let's see if we can find anything here. Still a little bit slow. It's trying to load and search all the PHP files. I think also there is something we should do first. We got to restart the server. Apache 2, and also we restart. That could cause also something not to work. After doing all that, we're gonna do this. Stop that service. Stop this, stop that, and say enter, and then we try to restart and also try to start that. After that, we're gonna look into something to see if it can help us. We say localhost PHPMyAdmin, then log in here. Something has gone wrong. Let's see. Wow, it's crazy. Log me in anymore. Xampp, okay. I didn't start MySQL. I started on Apache 2. Sorry guys. I believe I have to start MySQL. Start it. that's why it could not give me any access to that. I believe so. Let's see, PHP localhost PHPMyAdmin. So we got to say this. Yes, we got that working. So let's try our stuff, put it in here. We got this. Let me take this down. So leave that the way it is. So I got to say this. Guys, this is incredible, and it seems to be working now after doing the changes I told you. So what you're gonna do, you have to restart your server, the Apache 2, and also you have to restart your MySQL. So change a couple of files, but those, all of them, they were php.ini. So that simply means you got to change that, because the maximum is, it was the upload size, it was 2 megabytes, yet I had 9. So first check on your how big is your file to change to which megabytes you want to use. So we're waiting for, still loading. If it was not loading, it was gonna give us that previous error. So let's wait and see. It's importing into database DDMM. Guys, be patient, everything's gonna be fine. This is a very good thing to understand, that sometimes when you install your Apache, your PHP, if the PHP is installed, it has those configuration files whereby you have to go and change some stuff. So you got to be aware where to find them. Sometimes you can find them in USR, local, etc. Then you find PHP, then you find a file called php.ini. So that sometimes changes depending on your version of the PHP and sometimes the operating system you're using. So mine, so it wasn't even where I'm telling you, it was somewhere else. But I'm using Kali Linux. You might be using a different system, or Ubuntu, or another Linux, or another operating system, so it could be different. But look for that file and increase the sizes of the max execution time, and also the post max size, also the upload size. You got to change those, so you got to modify those. So also the time, because if you give it the time, you see now how many minutes we're trying to use here. Some they give it 60 minutes, it's 60 means 60 seconds, and you got to give it something maybe a little bit longer, that maybe, so that it depends on how faster your machine is, and also how big is your file. So you can see, ever since we fixed that, we're busy trying to process this to upload. It's gonna upload, but if you gave it maybe 2 minutes, by now it would have been terminated and gave you another error. So which means you go and change the time. You have to, the maximum, the max execution time. So I put it on 1000. Let's see what it's gonna tell us. but you can see it's in process. It's uploading, so we're gonna see many things there. Still importing. Once it's done, it's gonna tell us, guys, don't worry. Don't stop it, it's gonna finish. You got to be patient. My database is a little bit bigger, it's 9 megabytes. Okay, it displayed some simple error, but don't worry about that. Time passed. If you want to finish import, please resubmit the same file and import will, you can see. So that simply means our stuff worked, but it talks about time also. It could be like there's some tables which are not inserted, but that doesn't matter anymore. So you can see our databases, all tables are here. You can see the database was empty, but now we have all tables here. So it talks about time, that's what I told you. But oh look, all tables are imported in here. So if you want to change time, you still can go. You have a choice to go and change your time, then you upload everything. So but for now, everything is uploaded here on my side, and you got to use the same trick, but give it a little bit of more you can see you can play with you saw we played with something like megabytes, but now we got to play with time. You got to play with time. Give it more time. I gave it 1000. You can give it 3000 if you're not sure. Give it 3000, then you get everything fine working for you. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment box below. I will gonna be happy if you comment and if it helped you. So the only trick is to change your PHP ini, so you give it maximum, whatever, maximum upload file size. You change it, you change your post max size, you change also your max execution time. That's so important. Now you can see here it took a little bit longer, but also it completed about time. We gave it less time, but it worked. Inserted some tables, but you might find some tables are broken because of time, so you got to play with time. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like our content, share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, tell everybody about us, ask questions. We're glad that you're here on the channel, and I'm sure that it's gonna help you. If it didn't help you, there are a couple of things you can do. You can search on internet, you could find something better, but I believe this is gonna help you. If the same problem you are facing, it was caused by the same reason why mine was not uploading. Guys, see you in the next video. This is Azania tutorial.